Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 freezing problem. If you want to fix it, first thing you need to do, just go to device manager, go to display adapters, right click on the first one, click update driver, and then search automatically for drivers and do the same thing to the next one. After that, go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find. And after that, just go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, install the latest update here. Go to this one, settings, scroll down until you find image scaling, and then enable it and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.